If there is one soup that I can eat every day and not get tired of, it's this broccoli cheddar soup. It is so good and it's really easy to make, literally under 30 minutes. This is a Copycat Panera bread version of the broccoli cheddar soup, and I gotta say, it is very close to the real thing. I made these bread soup bowls to go with that broccoli cheddar soup, and honestly, it's the perfect combination. I always like to eat soups in these breads. I just love the combination of the bread and the soup together. Super delicious. I have that recipe up for you guys also, so check it out. I'm going to add some unsalted butter to my pot and keeping my heat on a medium. Gonna melt that down, then adding some diced onion, some minced garlic, mix that together, add in some flour. I'm gonna mix in the flour until it browns. Once you see that it's brown like that and nice and fragrant, you're gonna add in some chicken stock and some half and half. You can do milk or heavy whipping cream also. I just like the half and half. Mix this and then add in some salt, some pepper, and I'm also going to add in some cayenne pepper and some garlic powder. But you can add whatever seasonings of your choice. I'm going to give that a quick mix. And then to this, I'm adding some broccoli that has been diced up, some shredded carrots. Give that a good mix for about 10 minutes and then add in your shredded cheese. This is just medium cheddar that I'm using. Mix that cheese in there until it melts, and I'm adding just a little bit more. I mixed this for about a good 15 minutes, and then this all came together just under 30 minutes. This soup is super easy to make, and as it sits, it does thicken up. I served it in these bread bowls, and you can find that recipe. I have already posted it up. I added some cheese on top, some bacon. I just love broccoli cheddar soup. It just warms my soul. This was so delicious. For these cool days that have already come here in Arizona, this was perfect. This recipe will feed from 6 to 8 people, so this is the perfect one to make. Save this recipe, you're gonna love it. Enjoy.